Hi, my name is Sanjeev. I'm a Hyderabadi but a Punjabi, and this is my wife.
Hi, my name is Vandana. Basically from Delhi, but been in Hyderabad for long. Our journey started when we rented a house in Sumadhura and we loved that interiors and we came to know it is from Simplify Homes and then we ended up in buying in the same apartment.
Simplify has done like many houses here, and what we really wanted was it should not become like a cookie cutter, right? So all houses, we didn't want the same flavor, and that was like the hard part. So we shared, of course, like Vandana did a big lift on going on Instagram, Pinterest, sending hundreds of pictures and stuff like that.
Pooja Room has come really well. And this wall on the drawing room, this is also my favorite spot because everybody loves the texture and this thing. So I think kitchen is also very good. The color, we were very spectacle how it will be. In fact, I was telling Tejasvi also, but I think overall the feel has come really good.
My office, possibly we took the most time in deciding the office. It has come very well. It is very quiet because I can close the door and I have like so many calls. I work in the night, so it is easier now. But again, that's the place I spend a lot of time. I think our bedroom has come up really well, to be honest.
Yeah.
Right? But the master bedroom,
the wardrobes is the highlight.
Is the highlight.
Everybody, the moment they will come, they will say, "Oh, your wardrobes are so good."
From the design to the colors, everything that really happened, pretty much, I think I could literally pull that presentation and I can see everything is done as per the design, right?
Yeah. We share your reference with so many people because everybody who comes to our house, they really appreciate the work and the quality of the interior and everything. So we have shared your contact with so many people and looking forward for our next house to be done by you.
Yeah, I think it's a good experience because now we talk to other people who are building houses, right? So maybe they're doing their own interior and stuff like that. And I keep telling them, it's very important to pick the right partner.